Welcome to Restoration AI. If this is your first time using our web app tools, you'll need to sign up. Navigate to our home page and click the sign up button in the top right corner. You'll need to review our end user license agreement. Click the box on the bottom left to accept the agreement and then click OK. Please carefully fill out the basic information for yourself and your company. Completed waste reports will automatically be sent to the email you list here. As you are filling out the company information, keep in mind the data you enter will appear on the first page of the roof waste report. Think about a password that can be easily remembered. It is best if you write it down and store it somewhere secure. The password must be 8 characters long and contain at least one upper and one lowercase letter, along with one number and one special character. If you wish to have your company logo appear on the first page of the roof waste report, click on the button in the upper left-hand corner to upload it. This is likely to be the only tricky part of the sign-up process. These 4 prices are utilized in one of the more important roof waste calculations. For maximum effect, these prices should be up-to-date Xactimate prices for your area. If you have access to Xactimate, the easiest way to obtain these prices would be to create a sample estimate. Create line items for laminated and 3-tap shingles along with composition and standard profile ridge cap, as well as starter shingles. Just enter a quantity of 1 for each. You can decide yourself whether you wish to use the pricing for 3-tap composition shingle ridge cap or standard profile ridge cap. I use standard profile ridge cap pricing, but the choice is yours. The other option is to pull the prices out of some recently completed estimates or scope of loss documents. You may also put in your own pricing if you wish. Again, this is part of a calculation in the roof waste report that provides a powerful argument for breaking out cap and starter as separate line items. Therefore, this data is very important for your later use. Congratulations! You have completed the sign-up process. You only need to do this once. This is not required as you create future roof waste reports. You'll simply log into your account at Restoration AI. Click Continue to create your first roof waste report. There will be a separate training session for filling in the roof waste data.